Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Techno49. I hope everyone is safe. In today's video, I would be talking about how we can find out the number of agents required on the basis of this question. This is very important question that generally asked during the interviews. And for more WFM related videos, please subscribe, share our YouTube channel Techno49. So now let's find out. So the question is that how many agents are required in 3 hours to respond to 400 emails. Handle time is 300 seconds per email with 80% of productivity. So it means that we have time given that is 3 hours. AHT is 300 seconds, emails 400, productivity 80%. So on the basis of these components, we have to find out number of agents required. So we can find out this calculation by two methods. So I would be explaining two methods. So now let's start. First of all, we have to convert 3 hours into seconds. So the simple formula is that we have to multiply it by 3600 because we have 3600 seconds in 1 hour. So we have 3 hours. So total seconds would be 10800 seconds in 3 hours. So now let's find out by first method, equal to bracket open. So we have time given divided by your 300 seconds, bracket close, multiplied by your productivity. Once I hit the enter, I would be having some numbers, 28.8 agent, but I need to find out on the basis of emails also. So the simple calculation after that would be your 400 emails divided by your 28.8. So we need to have 13.88 agents, approximately 14 agents to complete this task. So this is the first method, how we can find out the number of agents. So now let's go to the second method, how we can just get to know that how many number of agents do we need. So in the second method, what we have to do, we have to find out the workload. So your workload is your number of emails multiplied by your AHT, bracket close, then bracket open, and the interval time is 3 hours. So we have to convert that into seconds. So that would be a 3600 seconds divided by your productivity. So now you can see that by both ways, we would be having the same number of agents required. So that would be the first method. In case if you have any kind of questions, please let me know. Thank you so much again for watching this video.